Hey, what's up guys, JustCetic here, and in this video I'll be telling you how to make your own download link for your YouTube videos or for any platform. So let's get started without wasting time. First you have to do is open the Google Chrome or any browser you want. Then type Mediafire, MEDIAF. It's written here. I will click here, right, Mediafire, and that will be the first link. The real link is this: http://mediafire.com. That is a pretty cool website. So now what you have to do, you'll get this page right here, and what you have to do is just start uploading file for free. Now you have to sign up for free. You can choose any one you have. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can easily sign up with email also. I will just sign up here with this. So my sign up process is over, and now what you have to do is click on this plus button, upload from device. So I will choose Explorer, SD card. Okay, what should I upload here? I must upload this right here. It will be uploaded soon. Yes, the uploading is finished now, so let's see what is the link now. So all upload. Okay, what is this? Start this website. So here is the download link. I'll copy it from here. So let's make a new page and paste this link here, and let's see what will come if my friend or you will click on this link. Here's this, and from here, if you download it, my picture will come to you. So thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.
The beat drops out.